Whether you're buying groceries or investing in stocks, finance is everywhere. But few, if any, financial education courses, especially those for youth, are online, accessible, and free. At Financedu, we seek to provide comprehensive, accessible, and free financial education for youth. My name is Emin Gordon, and without further ado, let's get started. One of the first things a user can do after signing in is to access their roles through settings. Now we have a number of different roles, each with their own functionality, but one role enabled for everyone is the learner role. Learners can access all of our content, and one way to do that is through the courses page. Once a user has selected a course, they're presented with information about that course, their progress on that course, as well as all of the modules within that course. Now within each module are a series of lessons, and within the lessons are educational standards that are covered, as well as content within each lesson. Now we have multiple different types of content, including articles, as well as quiz questions. Now within the quizzes, there are multiple types of questions, including radio, multi-select, matching, writing questions, and once they're done, they can view their results, see the correct answers, and get feedback on how they can improve. Now some lessons have a special feature that link to some tools that we've created. One such tool is a compound interest calculator that allows users to play with different variables and see the results in an animated bar graph. Parents are able to track their child's progress using our dashboard. They can view recent activity and course completion, just as learners are able to view the same statistics on the learner dashboard. Now, one thing that teachers can do is assign lessons or activities. Once they've selected a class, they can then edit that assignment and manage details like settings, availability, due dates, activities, and for finished assignments, check out analytics and grading for individual submissions. Now, interestingly, for the entire class, they're able to access a variety of features like assignments, analytics for the course as a whole, as well as gradebook for each individual students. They can invite students and manage the class's settings. Now, let's take a look at the code behind the website. While much of our front end was created with the help of website builder Wix, it also required a lot of custom coding to make it work in practice. Take, for instance, whether a user is logged in or not, we need to show and hide elements using the help of libraries through JavaScript features. One other area where code came into play was some custom elements in JavaScript, which are in essence like React components. One such area is this chart you see here that involved HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to create. But at the heart of our product is a content management system that involves over 35 different databases. Specifically, these are varieties of MongoDB. Now, within these databases comes a number of challenges, which we resolved using data hooks. Every time a user submits an assignment, for instance, we check whether they're able to submit that assignment based on things like their identity, as well as whether it's past the due date or not. But the bottom line is that we resolved a lot of hurdles and challenges related to security with data hooks. Thanks for watching. Visit financeedu.org for more.